Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by placing the chair on a towel to protect surfaces and steady the unit. This keeps parts from rolling away. Next, remove the seat from the mechanism, unbolt the 4 screws or depress the release clip, because access to the cylinder requires the seat off. While you work, document orientation and any spacers or washers so reassembly returns correct tilt and height function. Once the seat is free, set it aside with hardware grouped together for the next step. You must separate the gas cylinder from the base. First, pull all casters out to access the cylinder and check for a retaining clip. Spray penetrating lubricant around the collar where the cylinder enters the base, because corrosion or manufacturing press fit is the usual culprit. Then secure the base and apply controlled force. Use a rubber mallet or a pipe over the cylinder socket and strike the top of the base collar to break the seal. Once loosened, pull straight out to remove the old cylinder. You install the replacement by pushing the new gas cylinder straight into the base until it seats fully. The tapered fit demands firm, even pressure to avoid cocking. Refit casters, then lower the seat onto the cylinder, aligning any washers or spacers you noted earlier, and tighten the mounting screws to a snug, not over-torqued fit. Finally, test height and tilt. If the chair sinks or binds, remove and reseat the cylinder. Check for debris or damage, and use a small amount of lube on the collar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.